Hello there, this is Mike Earn, and this is the weekly Forex market update. And in this video, we'll be looking at the Euro USD, GBPUSD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs. But first, before we go into the business of the day, a quick introduction, or for those who have seen it already, a quick reminder of the premium Forex signal service that goes for $200 monthly. This service offers highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level. Now it goes for $200 monthly, and the value you get from this service is worth a lot more than the amount charged for it. It is highly valuable. I only place trades that I take myself. So if you would like to be part of this, copy the link in the description below, chat me up, and let's talk about how you can be a part of this. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy it, paste it in a browser, and chat me up, and let's talk about how you can come on board. So that is for this one, and let's get into the business of the day. So for Euro USD, looking at the monthly time frame, we can see that the market has been bearish for some months, and maybe it wants to continue bearish this month. Now looking at the daily time, looking at the weekly, let's look at the weekly first. Same story right there. It has broken below this major zone and has continued down, and it looks like it's coming into this next major zone before coming down into this one. So back to the daily, let's see how we can trade this. So if we're trading the Euro USD market, it's a bearish market, right? So whatever we do, we like to favor the bears more than the bulls. But either way, you still have to be cautious, because a bearish market it's bearish markets that become bullish markets, and it's bullish markets that become bearish markets. So either way, caution has to be applied in both cases. Now if price comes into this 1.06372 zone, you know, the daily time frame is our execution time frame in this analysis. So if price comes into the 1.06372 zone and it gives us a bullish day close above this zone, then I would expect a bullish move, right? And since it's a bearish market, I won't expect too much, right? I'll just, look out for maybe a 1-to-1 at least, at the very least a 1-to-1, and I think that will be good enough profits for me. I mean, from a from a bullish perspective. But if price pushes high back into this 1.07802 zone, and then it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, if it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then what I will be expecting will be a sell. I'll be expecting a sell-off. I'll be expecting a sell-off that could even come as low as the 1.06372 or even below. And the reason is simple: it's a bearish market, so it typically has more potential to sell off than actually to be a bullish move. So that will be for Euro USD. Now let's move on to GBP USD. Now GBP USD, almost same story with Euro USD, but we see something like a bullish move, like an emerging bullish move from the monthly. If you're looking at this zone, looking at what has happened here, I hope you can see my the mouse, right? We can see something like a bullish move, but we go to the weekly, we also see some bearish move. And don't forget, if you check the analysis I made some few weeks ago, I drew these lines while the price was still at this point. This was April. It was still the month of April when I made this prediction that price could push high come back into this diagonal resistance and then push lower, and we see that it is gradually fulfilling that prediction. It has fulfilled the first part of the prediction, come into this zone, give a turnaround, and we are seeing that happen in real time. Now, if we are to make a decision in the daily time frame, this is what I would be looking at. Now, since we have this zone on the chart, if price comes into this 1.25986 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, right, then I'll be expecting a bullish move, you know, at least a 1-to-1, right, at least a 1-to-1 right there. But if price pushes higher, I would expect, if price pushes high as the 1.27712 zone and again gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would expect some sell off, you know, some sell into the 1.26921 zone. That's what I would be looking out for GBPUSD. Straightforward and clear. Now for USDCHF on the monthly time frame has been very bearish. It's super clear. And if you look at the weekly time frame, we have, you know, the same idea, but the last week candle closed quite bullish, which is an interesting one. The market closed quite bullish. We've seen the market do a lower low, but we've not seen the market give us a, you know, higher high rather, to invalidate the bearish momentum. So this bullish move of last week, you know, we approach it with caution, and it might just be well, I don't know what to call it. It might just be a deception in the market, really. But now, if we're looking at what we can trade for the new week, what I'll say is, if market comes, which I doubt market will come this far, but if market actually does come as far as the 0.90848 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I'll be expecting a sell-off from that point. Sell-off at least, you know, or sell-off that could go as far as the 0.89272 zone, right? That was what I'll be expecting. But if we see price push instead into either of the 0.87997 zone or the 0.88224 zones, pushes into any of those zones and then gives us a bullish day close above either of those zones, then I'll be looking out for, you know, a bullish move, and, you know, I'll be looking out for a 1-to-1 since it's a very bearish market right now. And I think that's it for USDCHF, clear and straightforward. Now for USDJPY, well, USDJPY has gotten to, if you look at it from the monthly, we see that we are according to our chart, according to the information available to us on the chart, we can see that the market is price has just come really close to the highest high, which occurred about 2 months ago. So we see that price has broken the highest high from, you know, long ago, and even the previous one, which was in I think this was 2022, and the long ago happened in 1998. Yes. So what I would look out for is to see that price comes back into this major zone, because we don't have any resistance to look out for, but we have the support right here. So I would expect price to push and come into this 151.65 zone before we talk about a bullish move. If price comes into that zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then we can look for opportunities to buy. We can see that, you know, price came really close to that zone and then started pushing up, which is a confirmation to our expectation that buyers are lined up around that zone, right? Yes, it did not hit the exact line, but, you know, don't forget, it's about the zone, not the line. Although I prefer that the market touches my line drawn on the chart. So it's this confirmed, this move right here confirmed that indeed buyers are lined up at the zone waiting to buy. You can see what they have done since the fifth, I think this was the 5th of March. That was the 5th of March 2024, and we see how much price has done since then. So we're expecting price to come back to that zone before we talk about a bullish move. So that is for the analysis. Back to the service that I offer. The premium Forex signal service goes for you $200 monthly. And with this service, you can take your trading to the highest level. What I offer are really highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level, the very best in the industry. And you know, it's not a bluff, it's a fact of the matter that this is the very best in the industry. Chat me up if you're interested. And let's talk about how you can come on board. Trading signals work. Trading signals work when you get someone who actually knows how to trade, or someone who gives profitable trading signals, right? Trading signals don't work either because people don't know how to trade, or people who give the signals don't know how to trade, or those taking the signals are not taking them well or taking them the right way. So, but with this premium Forex signal service, I give you really highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to that will give you the best profits possible in the Forex market. And also, I would also guide you on how to make sure you don't miss, the signals that I give on this platform. So I'll be waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. And don't forget, copy to be part of what we do with the premium Forex signal service. Copy my Telegram link in the description below. Paste it in your browser and chat me up and let me know your intentions. Bye for now.